This is a spotlight. This room, another one there, you cannot see it, been painted, the ceiling painted. Then if you look at this is how it looks. If you want to change them or clean them, we need to know how to remove it from the hole there. I will show you in this video step by step how to remove a spotlight for cleaning or to exchange to another one, new one. So after painting it, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the paint. Paint is very hard to clean. I'll show you how to remove it from there. So this is the plastic. So been painted around here. So let me just cut around, otherwise I'll damage the paint. Or you can use a knife or anything just to cut the paint here. With a small screwdriver sharp end, slowly try to make a gap there. Slowly. Yeah, it comes up. Then 2 clips there. Just pull from one side. Keep pulling from one side. This clip comes out. Then the next one comes out. Then hold them together. And our light is down. These are the 2 clips holding it. These ones. When it comes down, pull it down a little bit. Transformer is here. And our light is here. So this is the down light. So if I just try to move like that, it doesn't go farther than this. This is the maximum it goes, because there are 2 clips there. Clips holding it. One here, one the opposite side there. They holding the lamp. So to remove it fully down, I have to pull one side, force it kind of a little bit just from one side. When this side comes out, let me see, this side comes out, then the other side slowly, and hold the clips like that, and our lamp is out again. Here is it. I can clean it now, change it or do anything I want. And the cutting is still safe. I haven't damaged anything there. In the cutting, the hole is still as it is. A little bit damage to the paint. This is how it works. We have a transformer. Remember, transformer is inside there, always hiding inside the hole. We push it first. This is how it goes. These clips hold it. Yeah, sorry, holding it just with one hand. Now we can clean it. In this one, I'm lucky enough the plastic is still there, it worked. Let me see. Yes. Yes, still a little bit pain here, has to be cleaned. And to put it back, just reverse the procedures, put it back like this and hold the clips, hold them back like that, and one goes there. Somehow the other one, sorry, the other one again this way, put them like that, then it goes down back to, it goes down there. This is how it works. Now I have to clean all this. Okay, this is how I managed to remove them. This is one, another one there, another one there, then another one in the corner still there. I'll remove it in the same way, and the other one is here, here, and here, and the last one, sorry, the last one is there. And back to the very first one, which is here. So in this room I have 3 in this wall, 3 in the other wall against, and 3 in that wall, 3 in that wall. This makes it 3, 3, then 1, 1. That's all total 8. 8 spotlights in this small ceiling, just as a guidance. In between them there is about, I can say, about 1 meter. 1 meter. Then from the spotlight to the end is about, let's say, 40 centimeters or something like that. So that's how we spread the spotlight in the room. If I light it, you will see how it works, like that. You can see them now. The light on. Okay. The light is on. And one of them not working. This one, look, is blinking. How to change it when it's blinking? So this is one of the reasons why I have to bring it down. I have to change the bulb itself, LED light. They're not bright because they're still covered with the plastic, and the plastic has to be removed because of painting. But the room is very, very bright now. It might not show on the camera, but the room is very light and very bright. So the radiator was there. Removed it to go with the paint.